Hey, you ain't gotta worry about nobody running you off the road. They definitely gonna see you. So I had to come out here and get y'all a better view of this. So over here in the dark, you can really see it way better. I think it turned out amazing. You can have it flashing like that. I think it turned out pretty good, guys. Very, very, very cheap modification right there. Let's see what it looks like with the light off. Now I wanted to show y'all the difference in this light. So this is at night. This is what you're gonna get. You either can get that or that. So that's how much light it's gonna give you. So all right, y'all, until next time, probably tomorrow I'll be making another upgrade, and I'll probably be showing y'all the next morning. All right, y'all, we out.